by using binomial distribution. This is one specific type of probability. In binomial distribution, one experiment is repeated under identical conditions many times, and we get two possible outcomes. One is success and other is failure. और कोई भी ट्रायल जो है बर्नौली ट्रायल कब होगा? बर्नौली ट्रायल में हमें ये दो आउटकम्स मिलेंगी, सक्सेस एंड फेलियर. कोई भी ट्रायल बर्नौली ट्रायल कब होगा? व्हेन दे आर फाइनाइट इन नंबर, जितने नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स उसे रिपीट किया गया है एक्सपेरिमेंट को वो फाइनाइट हो. जो इसके रिजल्ट्स हैं दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ईच अदर. Each trial has exactly two outcomes, success and failure. Probability of success or failure remains same in each trial. Now, formula for binomial distribution for finding the probability: NCR P power R Q power N minus R. P is probability of success. Q is probability of failure. P plus Q is 1 and value of R goes from 0 to n. So this is the formula for binomial distribution to find the probability. Now let us start with the questions. Write down the first statement. Question number 1. The probability that student entering a university, probability that student entering a university will graduate is 0.4. Find the probability that out of 3 students of the university, 3 students of the university, none will graduate. Second is only one will graduate. And all will graduate. The probability that the student entering the university will graduate is 0.4. Find the probability that out of 3 students of the university, none will graduate, only one will graduate, and all will graduate. Now number of students is 3, so n is 3 here. Probability of success कि student will graduate, that is 0.4. Q is probability of failure, that is student will not graduate. We have formula P plus Q equals to 1, so Q is 1 minus P, that is 0.6. Now first case is none will graduate. None will graduate means X is 0. No student is graduate, n is 3, 3C0, P power R. No student will graduate, so R is 0. Q n minus R, 3 minus 0, that is 3. So 3C0, Q 3. What is the value of 3C0? 3 factorial upon 0 factorial, 3 minus 0, 3. 0 factorial has value 1. So 1 into Q3, value of Q is 0.6. 0.432. Note this. Now third is the case that all will graduate. All will graduate means how many students? 3. So probability x is equals to 3. 3C3 p power r q n minus r. Value of 3 is 1. P is 0.4 q power 0 something power 0 is 1. So 0.4 cube, 4 cube is 64. So 0.064. 3C3 is 3 factorial upon 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 factorial is 1. 0.064. Now the next one is question number 2. A die is thrown 6 times. A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number, if getting an odd number is success, getting an odd number is success, what is the probability of, what is the probability of 5 successes? At least 5 successes. At most 5 successes. And at least 1 success. No success. A die is thrown 6 times. एक die को 6 times throw किया गया है. If probability of getting an odd number is success, so n is 6. Probability of success is getting an odd number. Odd number die have number 1 to 6. equals to 6. Now LCR, P power R, Qn minus R plus 6C6, P6, Q6 minus 6, that is 0. So what is the value of 6C5? 6, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 6. And 6C6 is 1. So 6, P5, No such